First lesson is Introduction to Algebra. What is algebra is the main question which arose in everyone's mind who is going to learn algebra. So we will see that what is algebra. A branch of mathematics in which we deal with numbers, symbols and connections between them is called algebra. Okay. Then we learned that what is algebra. Why we study algebra? What is there need to study algebra? Main question arose everyone's mind. So I am going to tell you that why we study algebra. Because we study algebra because it makes a mathematical problem. Any mathematical problem related to our life, it makes it easy to state through equations using letters, symbols and numbers. So let's take a simple example. If Anna's shirt is 2 times longer than Bill's shirt, what is the length of Anna's shirt? It is a simple or daily life question. If Anna's shirt is 2 times longer than Bill's shirt, what is the length of Anna's shirt? So to deal with above mentioned problem, we write it as mathematical equation using symbols, letters and numbers as follows. Let length of Bill's shirt be x and length of Anna's shirt be y. As we know that Anna's shirt is 2 times longer, so we can write that length of Anna's shirt is equal to 2 times the length of Bill's shirt. So the length of Anna's shirt was y and length of Bill's shirt was x, then we can build a relation that is y is equal to 2x. Who is going to take advantage of algebra? High school math and science students, computer programmer, geologist, astronomer, cryptologist, physicist, and there are so many fields in which one can find the advantage of algebra.